How to find transit number in CIBC Bank. Let's get started. Whether you are new to banking or just need a refresher, we have got you covered. Let's jump right in. First up, one of the simplest methods is to grab one of your CIBC issued checks, flip it over and take a look at the bottom. Right there alongside the institution number, you will find your transit number, neatly tucked away in a 5-digit format. But what if you are more of a digital banking enthusiast? No worries, just hop onto your computer or mobile device, log into your CIBC online banking account and head over to My Account section. Once you have found the account you need, the transit number and your bank account number will be right there waiting for you. Now, if paper checks and online banking aren't your style, fear not. Your e-statements hold the key. Open one up and you will spot those familiar numbers, the first 5 digits. That's your transit number. And there you have it. This is how you can easily find your CIBC transit number. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.